Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to remove an object and place it into a new background. First, you want to go up here and pick the magnet lasso tool, and then you have your subject, and then you just press around the edges and the magnet will automatically make sure you stay on the object in which you want to transfer. In this case we have this cute dog we want to transfer onto a new background. So we just make sure that we follow him all the way around his body, so that way we make sure that we get exactly what we want onto the new background. Yes, and then perfectly. Once you see this dotted line appear, you press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. And then you will see out here we have the second layer. Now what you want to do is you want to find the picture which you want the subject to transfer into. In this case it is this lawn picture. We plug it in, and in case the picture is smaller, you have to make sure to drag it to the edges, like this case. Perfect. Now we have our lawn and everything is perfect. If it says place document, just says play, just say place. And then you just on layer 1 press remove or delete. Remove that. And then you make sure you put layer 2 above here, and then you can move it as you see fit. And here we go. Now we have the dog into this picture. You can do it with anything, humans, buildings, whatever you like, but this is the rough edit of how you transfer it into our new background. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe.